Once in a while, I act like a child to feel like a kid again.
This is my home theater.
It gets like a
7.1 Blu-ray.
body I'm living in.
It's all by Panasonic. They're showing you guys the clarity of it. Not just the bass, just the clarity. So here it is. Check it out.
Wish I were a little girl without the weight of the world. It would be nice to start over again before we were men. I'd give, I'd bend. Let's play pretend. Remember the time we had soda for wine and we got by on gratitude. The worst they could do to you was check your attitude. Yeah, when fights were for fun, we'd water and guns in a place we could call our own. How we lost hold of home, I guess I'll never know. It would be nice to start over again before we were men. I'd give, I'd bend. Let's play pretend. And when it's the end, our lives will make sense. We'll love, we'll bend. Let's play pretend. Let's play pretend.
And the only thing that sucks, I don't have a new TV yet.
Gonna be long before we're all gone with nothing to show for them. Stop taking lives, come on, let's all grow up again.